Welcome back, good people. Have you ever wondered why your business is stuck? Today I will show you 5 common financial mistakes that are silently killing small businesses and how to fix them. The first one is mixing business and personal money. If you want 2000 Kenya shillings today and spend 1000 shillings out of it to buy food and airtime, now the business doesn't know how much it earned. Solution: open a separate mobile wallet or a bank account for the business. The second mistake: no salary for yourself. You take money whenever you need it. That confuses your business finances. Solution: pay yourself a fixed amount every week or every month, even if it's small. The third mistake: taking unplanned loans. Loans are helpful only if they help grow the business, but many take loans to cover lifestyle or emergencies. Solution: only borrow when there is a clear return plan. Mistake number 4: ignoring small expenses. 50 shillings here, 100 shillings there. It adds up. Solution: record every expense. Even the small amounts affect your profit. Mistake number 5: no budgets or targets. Solution: have a simple monthly plan. For example, I want to save 10% of my income this month. Avoiding these mistakes can help your business grow faster. Let me know in the comment section which mistake you have made before and what are you now doing differently. Like, share and subscribe. See you on the next video.